Hej, jag heter Stefan Stankovic, kommer från RISE och idag jag kommer att presentera projektet ADVOLCANO då på engelska också eftersom vi har förberett presentation på engelska tillsammans. So ADVOLCANO project is short for Adverse Voltage Controllers Interactions in Active Distribution Networks. I'm acting as a project manager and co-supervisor of one of our PhD students at KTH. We have project partners KTH and Uppsala University with a reference group from Swedish industry Svenska kraftnät, Ellevio, Vattenfall, Hitachi Energy, and D Laboratory Sweden. A little bit about what is the project ADVOLCANO about. We have an energy transition, power systems are transforming, and we have more renewables, more power electronic devices in the system, which brings more unpredictable system behavior. And one of these behaviors that we are addressing is appearance of adverse voltage controllers interactions with active distribution systems. So the project aims to analyze and build knowledge on these interactions in more details by answering more or less three questions. Why do voltage control interactions arise? How to predict and capture adverse voltage control interactions in large-scale complex networks, and how to mitigate such an adverse voltage control interactions. A little bit, we have been going right now 1 year into the project with two of our PhD students, so we have gone into certain distance, but we're still not there. So the thing that we have done and was published in IGT Europe this year was some classification of the different mechanisms of voltage control interactions that we have in the system that you can see on this figure, and I can refer you afterwards also to one of the published paper. And some future or close future work that we will be doing in the next year is understanding inverters voltage control interaction in distribution systems. And the second thing, longer time constants, OLTC, so on-loop type changers, inverters interactions in active distribution networks. So we have a little bit split this work such that the KTH part of the project is addressing more of the inverters interactions in the active distribution networks on the shorter time scale, while our partners in Uppsala University are addressing more slower time interactions with OLTCs inverters or between multiple OLTCs in the network. That's all for me. Thank you very much.